Hey guys, it's me. Just a little get ready with me, you know what I'm saying? This is like my first get ready with me. It's kind of weird. I'm not a makeup person. I just put makeup on, but I'm not a makeup person. Does that make any sense? My eyes are kind of red because I don't know, it was itchy and like it's all weird. I'm gonna be like those Vogue people. The Vogue people, like, what's their name? Kylie Jenner, Rihanna. Broke girl, not celebrity version of that. Crusty lips, crusty face version of that. So I'm gonna start with my primer. Where's my primer? Okay, I lost my primer. I'm gonna use Benefit's Professional. Oh, wow, pag-beauty. Just use this because, oh my goodness, I'm so clumsy. I never really used primer before because I didn't know how, but this primer, what's it called? Tightens my pores. Low-key, I'm like really quick at doing makeup, like 10 minutes tops with foundation and stuff, but right now I'm just chilling, you know. And then I'm gonna take this. It's Kat Von D's tattoo concealer thing. Little Real Techniques beauty blender. Blend. Okay. Ooh, y'all see that? How fancy that is? MAC Studio Water Weight SPF 30 foundation. It's like a little drop thingy. I feel like I'm a scientist whenever I use it. Now moving on to concealer. No, I'm using NYX. I am going to put my eyebrows on because low-key I look like a Filipino ratchet Mona Lisa, bro. So let's just fix that real quick. Sorry, facing through people on TV screens, you've been everywhere. Oh, by the way, the excess, like the stuff I got from here, I just put it here to contour my nose. It looks like a it looks pretty weird. I'm just letting everything just adjust to my skin. Okay. Oh, I should have put on some music. Another trick I like to do is I take my mascara. I usually have like mascara primer, but I can't find it. So I just take this. I put it under my boobs for the heat, like to accumulate heat, so it melts the product, so it like goes in more smoothly. So I just let it stay there. After blending, I usually just use this because it's real good. It's from the drugstore. I'm using my Real Techniques blush brush. It's not a blush brush, it's more like a universal brush because it's low-key just my one and only brush. So I just use only one brush for my whole face. I gotta get some chicken wings for a little break now. Buffalo wings with some blue cheese. I'm gonna go back to this using the darkest shade. Gaya nga ni Rihanna, pinapaliit ang ating noo sa kanyang Vogue. Now I'm gonna get my friend. I'm not gonna put like a lot. I just have to put this under my fake lashes. Lashes from, oh, I got a fart. Wow. My friend Diane, she hooked me up with these. They're hella cheap, bro. They're like 120. This whole thing is 120. But I'm not the best at applying lashes. Let's see how I'm gonna do today. I'm using my Kiss, it's a drugstore brand, Kiss eyelash adhesive. Whoa, I hate when that happens, bro. So rude. Moment of revelation. OMG. While I'm waiting for this to dry out, I'm gonna blend this out. Y'all. gonna take my Hoola bronzer. Snatch. Snatch queen. Oh. I never get anything right, but bro, my eyelashes are perfect. It's never right, but now it's like perfect, bro. Thank you, God. Blush time. I'm using my NARS blush in the shade Outlaw. I'll do just a little lip tint for now. I don't really like putting on lipstick. It's not my thing. Y'all, since my all-nighter is gone, I'm just gonna use this one. It's still Urban Decay. Oh my goodness, wow. Amazing. Ooh. This is pretty much my everyday look, but minus the foundation and the eyelashes. This is what I do on like not a daily basis, but this is what I usually go for when I'm feeling it. Hope y'all liked my SA-VOGUE video. Hasta la vista, gotta go, finna dip now.